friends, welcome back to another art project. We have a special day coming up on February 2nd called Groundhog's Day. Groundhog's Day is where we celebrate the groundhog and his ability to predict whether we will have 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring. And as the legend goes, if the groundhog comes out of his hole and he sees a shadow, then we have 6 more weeks of winter. If he comes out and he doesn't see his shadow, it's an early spring. So let's see how we make our groundhog. Ready? Here he goes. He's hiding in the hole. He comes out. On Friday, we had some people predict that they thought he would see his shadow for 6 more weeks. I think most people did. He sees his shadow. 6 more weeks of winter? Or does he not see his shadow and we have an early spring? Let's go ahead and make this craft. It's kind of cute. Here we go. So I'll set him aside so you can see him again. Here's your plate. And as you remember, we kind of decorated the bottom grassy. The top is blue for the sky, and we have a bright yellow sun. We need some sunlight because that's what's going to make the shadow or not. All right. So you'll see you're going to color the bottom green. And we're going to make the top blue. There's some cues there, and there's the little hole that he's coming out of. That's going to be brown. So you can go ahead and color that. We also are going to work on our groundhog. We have a couple pieces. Some are very small. I don't want to lose them. I might stick them right there so we don't lose them. And you're going to need either a glue stick or wet glue. So first thing we're going to do is put on our little arms. I'm going to glue them right down. His little paws. So cute. All right, and then he needs his little nose. It's very tiny. The wet glue might be helpful with this. It's like a little triangle. You're gonna have to set it right down there in the middle. There you go. And what's missing? Right, his 2 little eyes. I got one. I guess it could be a girl. Doesn't have to be a boy groundhog. But the groundhog's eyes. There you go. Then once this is dried, you're going to glue the stick right on the back so you can move him up and down, in and out of your plate, which is the whole environment that he's in. His den, the grass, the sky, and the sun. All right, are we ready to see it again? All right, groundhog, come with me. Come here, little groundhog. Okay. Here he is again. And here he is popping out. Do you think that he's going to see his shadow and have 6 more weeks of winter? Or no shadow and an early spring? I can't wait for you guys to predict. I'm going to be asking you on Tuesday what we think happens, and we'll know for sure. I can't wait to see your work. Great job, guys.